want to see what product gave me these fluffy twists that I use for my flat twist out? Stay tuned. Welcome and welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I'm going to try out a new product here from SOULTANICALS. Clearly, I'm in the middle of wash day. So before we get all the way into it, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. And let's go ahead and take a look at what this product is. Okay, so today I'm trying out this SOULTANICALS Frizz Whizz Curl Defining Leave-In. I've never tried this brand before or this particular product, but it looks interesting so far. So I like the top, and I like the fact that one the key ingredients in here is distilled water, infusion of slippery elm, and Irish moss. Sounds wonderful to me. Now it says this Frizz Whizz is a moisturizing leave-in conditioner, detangler, and curl definer designed to smooth the cuticle and enhance thick, curly, textured hair patterns. Supposed to tame the frizz, and as you can see, it's a milky white color. This effortlessly came out, so this is a nice and smooth leave-in. It's not too thick but not too thin, you know, it leaves a little bit of a film, and that I hope will nicely coat my hair. So far so good. Not sticky, no smell at all either. And as you can see, it soaked right on into my skin. So this looks promising. Okay, so as you can see, it comes out quickly, so you don't have to squeeze it too hard. This is what I'm using here. You see how quickly it will slide on down my hand. So I should have no issues spreading it throughout my strands. So we will see. Okay, so I can't even see it on my hair, can you? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just continue putting this onto my hair. You know, it feels good, it's spreading, it's soaking into my strands, and you know, just see what we can do here. The main thing here that I'm looking for this to soften my hair, and I'm looking to be able to detangle my hair with my wide tooth comb. And then, if all goes well, we'll go ahead and do a chunky flat twist out. I'm gonna let you guys watch for a little bit. We'll cut on some music. Don't leave quite yet, okay? Make sure you stick around for the full video so you get my full review. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up so this lets other people in the YouTube streets know that I have a new video up, and they may decide to watch and share this video with someone, okay? I'll talk to you in a little bit.
Lying wide awake, I can't sleep tonight. Staring at the ceiling like a restless child. Cause you're running around telling all these lies. You're telling all these lies, boy. You said you needed space, but you're out right now. Drinking with your friends, having a good time. But when you're feeling lonely, you come back around. You come back around. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done healing all your scars. You say we're done, but then next morning you regret what you said, huh? Here we go again. You tell me we're just friends. But then you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. Here we go again. So tell me where your friends at. Cause you call me feeling sorry for yourself. You want me back and tell me that you need my help. All these thoughts are just running wild. You treat me so bad, but then you love me right. I can't get this off my mind, oh. I'm done picking up your pieces. I'm done
Hey roses, it's 2 days later. Yes, 2 days later. Kind of forgot. Had some other things going on, but let's go ahead and take this down. Okay, so I did stretch this. I had this banded in about 4 sections and banded with these. So that's why it has some length to it. And then as you saw, I just took this out of a scrunchie. So, and let's just see what this can do. The only thing I'm looking for, what I already got, was I want to see if this would help detangle my hair. If I would be able to comb through it, which I was. And with me doing a flat twist out, like a chunky flat twist out, either way, flat twist out period, you know you got to have slip in order to do that. And this did that. So again, this is the SOULTANICALS Frizz Whizz Curl Defining Leave-In. Let's go ahead and take this down. And I'm just gonna start right here. Okay. Now, was I expecting this to give me definition? No, but I think I read something on here about it helping with defining the hair. This particular flat twist out is really not even meant to be in a style. It's going to go into a ponytail. I just wanted to see what this product was going to do with my hair. Because again, this is listed as a leave-in. This ain't listed, you know. The primary purpose of this is not to be a styler. And I just did that myself. Also, Frizz Whizz. Supposed to help with frizz. Personally, I don't care about that. I know there's many people who do. I don't care about it. But I think for me, when I do flat twist outs, I intensify my frizz because I'm just being rough with my hair. Like I was down here. But looking at it, what do you guys think? I think it helps for me to just, you know, forget about my hair for 2 days, not really care. My head's been laying all over everything. I've had 2 doctor appointments, and I may do an appointment about that. I mean, I may do a live about that, but let me tell you right now, ladies, I need y'all to go to your appointments. If you're at the age where you should be having mammograms, get your mammograms. If you just have any worries whatsoever in regards to your breasts, get a mammogram, okay? And if you have any issues with pain in your pelvic area or anything like that, please stay on top of, number one, your pap smears. But if you're supposed to be following up and getting an internal pelvic exam and an ultrasound, get it. Don't play. I've had many of them. I just had to have another one. And, you know, these tests are for a reason, because thanks to my mammogram and my internal, vaginal, pelvic ultrasound inside and out, there were some discoveries. So I'll go into that a little bit more. But anyway, back to this. Hope I didn't scare anybody off, but the point of my channel also is, you know, to help us as women. And sometimes to speak on things that we didn't really want to speak on. Okay. So as you can see, when I'm taking this down, I'm kind of combing through my hair a little bit. So do I really care about frizz? Clearly not. Because it wasn't meant for that. But if you're looking to see what it would do for frizz, I mean, look at that. That may give you a little bit of an idea. not the best example, and again, I wasn't going for that. So don't base your decision on trying this out on my hair. I will tell you, my hair is very, very soft, as if, you know, I had just got this done. My hair is in fact smooth. Whether it looks like it or not, it is smooth. And this has no scent, which is something I do like, because I don't have to fight with the scent of my hair with the scent I'm wearing today. Okay, so yeah, basically I'm combing through my hair, y'all. That's pretty much what I'm doing. So I really like the leave-in, and I really, really, really like the fact that this helped me detangle my hair. It was easy to comb through my hair with a wide tooth comb, which is what it actually suggests on here. This is, I think, a good leave-in if you're just, you know, getting ready to get your hair prepared for what you're going to do next, or just whatever you decide to do, to put it up, to a ponytail, whatever you decide to do. As you can see, I'm messing with my hair big time. If you want to throw out your hair, oh, this is just a good leave-in, period. I think it really is. Anyway, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me doing another natural hair video with a little bit of positive suggestions in there for us ladies in regards to our health. You know, make sure you go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this with someone. Other than that, I like this and will be using it again. Interested in trying other products from this brand. Let me know if you've tried any other products from SOULTANICALS. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.